So I have 3 books here. The first one is Geometric Galois Actions around Grothendieck's Esquisse d'un Programme. The second one is An Introduction to Non-Commutative Differential Geometry and Its Physical Applications by J. Madore. And finally, Three-Dimensional Orbifolds and Cone Manifolds by Darrell Cooper, Hodgson, and Kirchhoff. And the reason why I have these books is because I'm trying to put together elements in which each of these books has. In this book, the Orbifold book and Cone Manifold, I'm essentially working with two complex of orbifolds, football orbifolds, and so the information in this book is very helpful. In particular, I'm dealing with objects, orbifolds like this, where the cone points are both alpha, and this is called a football orbifold. For the non-commutative geometry book, I'm mostly dealing with the Alain Kahn style approach, where I use the non-commutative nature of the piecewise isometry group on the two orbifold complex, and the action of the piecewise isometry group essentially smears the waves and other differential forms you might be interested in, kind of averaging them out to make calculations more manageable. And lastly, the geometric Galois actions. So if we interpret the intersection locus of the two orbifold complex I was talking about, if we interpret that as a dessin d'enfant, and maybe we uniformize or complexify the individual orbifolds comprising the two complex, then we can act on the entire structure by slicing along certain subsets of the dessin d'enfant and permuting halves of the complex and regluing back to itself. So these piecewise isometries on the entire two complex induce automorphisms on the dessin d'enfant, and they act on the homology generators. And these group actions are very related to the geometric Galois actions.